So, you have heard the noise. Everyone is talking about it. AI is a giant wave, a tsunami. It is a doomsday scenario that gets clicks online. Influencers say it is all over. They claim AI has already won. They tell you to pack your bags and find a new career. But let us be real for a minute. I watch this space closely. It is more interesting and less scary. Tech jobs are not disappearing. They are not dead. They have fundamentally changed. The rules have been rewritten. The last couple of years were turbulent. We saw massive layoffs at big tech. Microsoft, Google, Meta. They cut tens of thousands of roles. See the data. Tech unemployment spiked. For a while, it felt like the sky was falling. That fear made the narrative easy to believe. But turbulence does not equal crash. A storm does not equal annihilation. This is a major rebalancing. While some roles were cut, new jobs emerged and grew fast. Companies shifted priorities, not just costs. Resources moved toward artificial intelligence. The fastest growing title is AI engineer. Second, AI consultant. Let us get one thing straight. The idea that tech jobs are vanishing is a sensationalist myth. It's just wrong. That headline misses what is actually happening inside these companies. Think of it less like a demolition and more like a strategic renovation. A company might knock down a few walls, clearing out old structures, to build a stronger, more modern foundation. Companies are not eliminating their tech departments. Far from it. They are reshaping them to be more intelligent, more efficient, and more focused on the future. They need people who can build and work with the new AI-powered tools defining this era. This fundamental shift creates a clear division in the job market. On one side, you have roles fading as their core tasks get automated. On the other, you have a surge of brand new roles that did not exist a few years ago. Demand for people who truly understand AI is exploding. These are not niche experiments anymore. They are business-critical functions. They are core to engineering, product, and marketing teams. The market is pointing squarely at artificial intelligence as the primary driver of value. This transition is happening across the board, in every industry. It's not just one or two titles being affected. The very DNA of tech teams is changing. We're seeing fewer manual entry roles and more people who leverage AI to analyze complex behavior at scale. Fewer repetitive junior coding tasks and more systems architects integrating multiple AI models into a cohesive product. Headcount totals do not have to shrink. The work itself transforms. This is not extinction. This is job transformation. Let's be honest. The skills that got you hired 5 years ago will not even get you an interview today. Harsh, but true. The ground is shifting beneath our feet at an incredible pace. AI is fundamentally rebalancing the value of different skills across the entire job market. Take entry-level software engineering as a prime example. Not long ago, knowing basic code was a golden ticket. Now, AI writes simple code at an unmatched speed and scale. It tests fast. It debugs fast. Competing on pure execution is a losing battle. AI absolutely crushes clear, verifiable domains. Simple functions, common errors, language translation. As a result, demand for only basic skills dropped. Meanwhile, generative AI roles surged over 170%. The market now favors creative problem solvers. This shift extends far beyond coding. AI analyzes competitors and market trends, and even generates starter wireframes for new products. The uniquely human skills are to interpret data, define a compelling vision, and make the tough calls. Value has decisively moved from execution to strategy. You have to skate to where the puck is going, not where it has been. Here is a strange but true story that perfectly illustrates this new reality. An AI founder was ecstatic. His team was shipping more features with fewer engineers. AI had dramatically slashed their build costs. Logically, you would expect fewer hires, but he couldn't hire great talent fast enough. Why? Because every company gets the same cost savings. The playing field is level. Now there are 10 times more teams building new products. From tiny startups to large enterprises, everyone is in the race. As a result, competition for truly skilled talent surges. AI boosts each individual engineer, but it multiplies the overall demand for them across the industry. That is the great paradox of our time. For example, one company adopted AI coding tools, productivity soared, and they immediately hired more system integrators to manage the complexity. One big misconception: you must be a world-class coder to benefit. If your only skill is basic code, you will struggle today. AI is already better at that task than most engineers. That opens huge opportunities for other skills. Companies want strategic AI thinkers, product perspective, operational perspective. New job categories blend human and AI. Entry-level software. AI writes the initial code, tests it, and debugs it. But you provide the right context, adapt it to the project, connect it with other components, becoming an architect and integrator, ensuring everything works together. For PMs, AI predicts, analyzes, surfaces trends, you define vision, life cycle, stakeholders. Marketing, AI generates, tests, analyzes, you shape brand voice, narrative, and strategy. The best jobs ahead are not invented yet. The risk is not AI replacing you. It is someone who understands AI better than you. Today, your degree matters less than you think. It will not land you a top job by itself. Outliers exist, but they are not the rule. Degrees help your foundation, but they are not enough. Like music, you need skills and street cred. In tech, your portfolio is your street cred. Step 1. Contribute to open source. This is your entry point to real-world code bases and collaborative development. It shows you can work effectively in a team on real products. Start tiny. Fix a bug, improve documentation, or add a test. Pick a good first issue. Open a pull request. Get on the board as a participant, not just an observer. Step 2. Build AI projects you can actually demo. A tangible project proves what a resume merely claims. Start small. Use readily available open source models. Run it in Colab. Publish a simple page or a screen recording of it working. Share it widely. Make it easily findable in your portfolio. Hiring managers will spend minutes on good demos, not seconds. Clearly state the problem, tools used, your role, and the results. Step 3. Go deeper with powerful open source models. Try Llama, Mistral. Load, fine-tune, and use retrieval augmented generation. Make it run. Then write what it does, how it works, and what you learned. Step 4. Learn from the best in the field. Watch talks, read deep posts. After each one, immediately apply one new idea to a personal project. Step 5. Master communication, collaboration, and business acumen. These are non-negotiable skills. Can you explain a complex project in 5 minutes to a non-technical person? If they get it, you are truly leveling up your communication skills. Looking at the future of tech, it is easy to get lost in the noise and hype. You have to cut through it. 3 fundamental truths remain. First, tech jobs are not dying. They are evolving at an accelerated pace. Ignore the doomsday predictions. Adapt your skills. Priorities are shifting decisively to AI-centered roles. Be where the demand is going. Second, you must master AI. Go beyond just reading about it. Build and prove your capabilities. Your portfolio of working demos is your new, most powerful resume. Finally, learn fast. The pace of change is your biggest challenge and opportunity. Evolve faster than the tech itself, and you will not just survive, you will win.